Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Asterix Solution. Now this video we are going to understand how exactly a Pig application or what is the data modeling in Pig. So if we compare it to a SQL table, whatever we call as a table will be considered as a bag here. So bag is the basic term here where whatever we consider as a whole table will be considered as a bag. And when we say it's a single row, the single row here is called as a tuple. So bag is represented by curly braces, whereas tuple is represented by brackets, round brackets. And then you have got a field. So a combination of a single row and column will be called as a field here. So in the data modeling basic, what you have got is you have got a bag, you have got a tuple, and you have got a field. Bag is the whole table or the whole data is called as a bag. Then you have got a tuple, which is a single row, and then you have got a field, which is a combination of row and column. Now, next is understanding how to start the pig. So pig can be started in two modes, local mode and MapReduce mode. To start the pig in local mode, you have to type a command. So let's say I'll show it to you now practically going into my Cloudera. You have to just start a terminal. To just start a terminal, say pig space hyphen x space local. So if you say pig space hyphen x space local, it will start a grunt shell now, which is only going to work for the files in your local machine. So you can see it's starting now, and it will give you a grunt shell starting up. Yeah, so it's a grunt shell now. Whatever command you want, you can start typing in here. And so I'm just putting up Control C, clear it. And now, if you want to start your pig to work with the HDFS files, the command for doing that is pig space hyphen x space MapReduce. This particular grunt will be now connected to the MapReduce. So whatever file you want to work with MapReduce can be done from here. So this is how you start your pig in either of two modes. You have to decide at begin. It's not the case in Hive. At the Hive, you can decide when you load the data. But in pig, when you start, you have to actually show from which pattern you want to start. So thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel Asterix Solution for more videos on Hadoop and all new coming technologies. Thank you.